Carl's trying to do the job right.
Trying to do something here.
He's trying to do the job right. He's using all heat shrink. He's taking his precious time. Usually he just sends it, but
You're trying to make it look good.
Look at this beautiful Bing footage.
We went this far, right?
Right?
Hi guys, we're back. All right, well that was exciting, huh? A little peeling of the wires and whatnot.
Not that exciting. Keep going, keep going.
I'm trying, bro.
With that smoke, it freaking working, you say?
Bro, just because it's smoking doesn't mean it's working, you say. It's like...
I think it's just nothing.
If I would have done the switch panel with this shit, I would have killed you, bro. Like,
whatever, is he?
I mean, like, seriously, dude?
Nice. What up, guys? So we got the conversion harness here. It's a TRC. Shout out TRC, sponsored this video.
TRC product, you know what I'm saying?
So this is what you're gonna need, is a chassis conversion harness.
Look how pretty that looks.
Look at that. Very nice.
Look at that.
Let's just show the installation. Dude, he didn't chop up the dash harness, did he?
Hope not.
Hope not.
Yeah. So these are pretty simple to install. We have our engine harness coming in from the engine bay, obviously. Goes onto our main plug here. Okay. You're gonna have your leads. They're all labeled. They'll tell you what they are and where they go.
So the main ones, what do we need? I think there's one for labeled.
Oh, over here we have, so we have 3 different labels on the little plug. And one we have is ELD.
Okay.
And then we have the mill, which is check engine light. And then we have fuel pump. So we're not going to be using the fuel pump because we're using a switch for the fuel pump and it's a different setup. Mill, the cluster sucks. So, and then ELD is the battery light. So to let you know if your battery is low or whatever. If it's for the cluster.
So what else do we need from this thing?
And on the other harness, there's another 3 wires.
So is the ECU supposed to control the fuel pump?
Usually, yeah. It goes through the...
But we're doing like a manual override?
The ECU turns on the main relay turns on the pump.
I see.
Then we have the harness that comes over to the other side. Oh, what's this here?
These right here, brother?
Oh, these are the charge.
This is the ones that connect over here.
And
so you're gonna take that.
And we're gonna route it.
Let me see if I can get, Gotta route it behind?
Yeah, we have to route it in here somewhere. I'm gonna go up high. I'll zip tie them up after.
Okay. Right here? Okay. And then the connector this?
Yes. Okay. Alright, so real easy. Plugs are really nice, so they fall right in. There's no hassling or anything like that. Pop. They're all good. And you tuck those up and away.
We're gonna tuck those up later, zip ties.
We're pretty much ready to go other than not having a fuel pump.
We got the fuel. You do.
No, I'm saying not wired. It's not wired.
Put me on blast, bro.
Not like that. I'm saying like it's.
Can we tap that in and finish that up?
I'm gonna do that right now.
Make sure there is no.
Alright, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and prime it and make sure this thing doesn't leak fuel everywhere. We already put fuel in the cell and we got the lines hooked up and fuel pressure regulator. If you want to go ahead and hit the key.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, power on. And then this one should be pump.
I thought that was a switch.
Pop.
No?
Nope.
Oh!
Oh shit! Mother fudger. Yeah,
that's right. See?
Make it rain. Yeah, you could turn it off. Well, I see what's leaking. Got fuel all over me and all over the car.
Wiring work.
It's raining men. Hallelujah. It's raining men.
I tightened everything except for touching that thing.
Except for touching that, huh?
It's loose, huh? Yep.
Hell yeah, it's like finger loose.
Finger licking.
Let's wipe everything down and try
tighten
again.
that thing too. It's not even.
What?
Do we even put any
Teflon?
Teflon tape on those motherfuckers?
On what?
on these little plugs.
Well, before you even do that,
Oh.
let's just try it again. Just
Oh,
to see
this
if,
is just hand tight.
Just hand tight, baby.
well, then just take it off. Yeah, we didn't. Yep, there goes more fuel. Whoa, that's a lot of fuel. So, this is a temporary setup. We're not gonna 100% keep it like this. We just want to make sure that everything works. And just gonna get it running, and then we might relocate those fuel pumps. We might leave them there. We're not exactly sure what we're gonna do yet. We're still working on it. But we do want to get this thing running tonight and get a first start. See what this engine sounds like.
Do it, baby! The freaking plane. Alright, never do this. Never smoke cigarettes when you're putting gasoline in cars.
Don't lie to people.
Bro, I don't know what's behind your back. Dude, it's like, you never seen those, you ever seen those mechanics that have like the cigarette hanging down their cheek and they talk and it like wiggles and shit and they're all just like around the car, fucking ashes on.
Ashing everywhere.
Best kind of mechanics, dude.
Those are the best type of mechanics.
promise.
The best. Cigarette in one hand,
There's one
gasoline
on
in the
top
other.
too.
What?
Was there fuel pressure at least?
Yeah, fuel pressure went up and then it squirted everywhere and got all over.
For sure there was fuel pressure.
Choose a
got it.
squirter.
But it sounded good. I mean,
Squirtle,
the pump
baby.
was working. Yeah. There we go. We got fuel pressure. Do it again. Yeah, we got 40 psi fuel pressure and holding while the pump's still running. Yeah.
I don't have
So there's no leaks. Oh, there is a little leak right there. Just a little one, yeah.
the time. What is it from?
From the fuel pump.
Line?
Yeah. Try it again. Okay, let's just keep it there for a second. Just keep it running. Make sure nothing leaks.
Come on, baby.
Dang. That's loud. Oh, it's leaking something. It's leaking.
Hold on. Cut it. The filter, I think, is leaking. Watch out.
Go ahead, bro. Woo! 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 Yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Woo! Start.
Dude. So
Not bad.
over here, got the idler. You know,
Idler, that was pretty good.
she sounds amazing.
You like at one point you didn't have your foot on the throttle, right? Like it was kind of island.
Yeah.
See, it was kind of island. It was like at 900. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to work it. Let's see if this thing is what it's doing.
Right.
She's alive! She's alive!
I'm on accelerator, but he's right there.
I know, right? She's alive! We got it. Shake it.
On our first test drive.
Shake it back, baby. You let me hang you, bitch. Sound is purring.
Bro, she sounds so good.
She sounds so good.
How much fuel pressure?
Give me
Sounds
45.
Yeah, 45. Sounds amazing.
Let's go, baby. Woo! Can it move on its own power? In reverse, 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 reverse. No! No reverse? No. No reverse. What the bro, is it the same one?
Let me see.
Come here, bro. Whoa! Or no reverse.
Some with that tranny, dude. I'm telling you, I've tried like 3 different mechanisms now.
Sure, man.
And you went through the whole thing and you made sure that everything was the same. And
I don't understand.
It's just that training.
Is it?
yeah, fleshy.
They said pretty good.
Fleshy for the
Hold on,
win, dude.
let's see.
Look at that, dude.
Oh, kill him! Oh, kill him! They kind of look like they're the same offset, you
They
know?
were
Like,
made for it, bro. This beef swell setup right here.
oh!
Insane.
Look at the back. Hold on, let's look with the back.
Just every part
Oh,
of it, dude.
bro.
I guess the front bumper looks good too.
That looks fucking killer. Because you can see everything. That's nice.
Bro.
That's nice.
This is nice.